This is how to make your own jam. So we are going to start today with cutting our strawberries for our filling. I'm going to just take the tops off of the strawberries right now. Then we're going to cut our strawberries. I already have my pan on and it's at a very low heat just to get the heat going on it. I'm going to cut some of the lemon off for the lemon juice and just pour that right into the pan. And then we're going to add our cup of sugar. You can use powdered sugar, you can use regular granulated sugar, just right into the pan. And I'm just going to stir. I'm going to turn this up to about a medium heat just so the sugar dissolves and the strawberries start to cook. The consistency I'm looking for is just a thicker paste, and then the strawberries will continue cooking down and create an even thicker and thicker paste. So you can see that my sugar dissolved into the liquid, and we already have a lot of liquid in here. So I'm going to take the spatula and I'm just going to start crushing the strawberries just so I can extract more liquid from them so we can get this to a more jammy and thicker consistency. You can see that it's starting to get thicker. A lot of those big bubbles are now small bubbles, which means that a lot of that water is cooking out and now it's just the sugar. I'm pretty happy with the thickness of my strawberries, so I'm going to kind of stop crushing at the moment. I'm just going to wait for this to cook a little bit longer. I'd say we're about a minute out from this being done. I could tell that it's starting to be very thick by when I pull the rubber spatula through it. It's taking its time coming back together. Once this cools down, it'll be a lot thicker than what it looks like in the pan. So we don't want to overcook this so it's too gummy and like candy. And we are about done.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.